In 2026, tensions in the Middle East have reached a new high as Iran's drone program takes center stage. Reports suggest that Iranian drones have been increasingly used in attacks targeting key energy facilities across the Gulf region, raising global concern. These drones, often called kamikaze drones, are designed to evade radar and strike targets with precision, making them both low cost and highly effective. One of the most alarming developments is the growing sophistication of these unmanned systems. Military analysts say Iran has upgraded its drone technology with better navigation systems and longer flight ranges, allowing them to reach strategic locations more easily. This has forced countries in the region to strengthen their air defense systems. Meanwhile, global powers are closely monitoring the situation. The United States and its allies have increased surveillance and defensive operations to counter potential threats. There are also reports suggesting that Iran is receiving technological support from international partners, further escalating tensions. Experts warn that this rapid rise in drone warfare could reshape modern conflicts. What was once considered a secondary weapon is now becoming a primary tool in geopolitical strategy, signaling a new era of warfare driven by unmanned technology.